Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy an AirBaltic plane ticket online in 2023. AirBaltic is a leading Latvian airline that offers a wide range of flights to various destinations. So, in this comprehensive guide, I'll walk you through the process of booking your plane ticket with AirBaltic hassle-free. So, let's get started and make your travel dreams a reality. So let's dive right into it. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by visiting the AirBaltic website. To do so, we'll have to go and open whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you do so, you'll simply have to go to this URL section and simply type airbaltic.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you'll be taken to the home screen or main screen of AirBaltic, sorry. And of course, if it's your first time planning or taking a ticket from this airplane, you can simply scroll down, read more information about it, get the reviews of other people, and it's going to be very helpful, of course, because a lot of people will not want to get the tickets from plane they know nothing about. They want like the cheapest prices with the most comfortable things. So make sure to go and do your own research about this plane. And of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and click on login at the top right corner to log in into your account. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to go and create an account for yourself because this will prevent you from doing that while you're getting your ticket. So from here, you'll be able to book some flights or flights in the hotels, depending on whatever suits you. For me, or I'm just going to do book flights and from where. So as an example, I'm just going to type here. I don't know. Let's just go with this populars here to what to let's say with the popular right here also. So from here, as you can see, we can actually like go and add from what. So we can change it if we want to, or we can leave it as it is. Direction, round trip or one way, depending on whatever suits you. So let's it as round trip. Here for the passengers, you can see you'll have to select the passengers, number of passengers. So we have adults. Sorry, so we have adult, young adult, children's, and infants. So this is an example. It's just like one adult, one young adult, and why not like one children. So as simple as that. So now, as you can see, we'll have to click on save, and here we'll have to see where we are going to. We'll have to simply select the departure date. So, example, I'm just going to set this date. So as you can see, this is the lowest possible on this day. You can even change it as an example for the lowest. So as an example, this is even low. So we can select from here let's just remove this. Okay. We will have to go for this and select this as an example. And here on return, let's just select the cheapest again and let's look for the cheapest here. It should be something cheapest than this. There is like 19 and the 23rd. So just go with this one. So this is the dates we are going to return. So simply click on select flights. Once you do so, you will be taken to this page to complete some steps. So as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 steps. So the first step is going to be simply flight selection. Then you will have to do the fare type, passenger info, seat selection, trip customization, and overview and payments. So as you can see here, they show you the two plane tickets that is suggested for you. You can even get other like flights or see other flights from here depending on whatever suits you. For me, I'm just going to select this, and as you can see from here, I'm just going to select this also, and as you can see, this is going to be the price. You can even show the details of that, as you can see. So the fare for everything, every details they will find it here. So now I'm just going to click on continue, and as you can see from here, you'll have to choose a plan depending on whatever suits you. You have the green plan, green plus, and classic. For the green plan, we have one cabin bag, one personal items, 10 kilogram total. And we have rebooking, 50 euros plus possible fare difference, and 1 points divided per 1 euro. Non-refundable, of course. So for this one, the same cabin bags, but you will be able to get another bag with a 23 kilogram total. Rebooking, it's going to be 50 euros plus possible fare difference, same as green. And here, not the same as green, so 1 points divided by euro plus 15 bonus points, and not refundable also. For the classic, you'll get the same bag, the same bag that the same two bags that you have in Green Plus, but plus a seat selection, early bird online check, priority airport check-in and bag drop, rebooking before departure for free, plus possible free fare difference, and of course 1 point per euro plus 100 bonus points, and refundable for 50 euros fee if you miss the time of the departure. So simple. I'm just going to select this as example. Of course, you can even go and check for the business if you want to. So the business, of course, will get more features and even they will pay more. So go and check that for whatever you want. So here, as you can see, we will have to simply select classic as we said, and here needs some more time to think. You can simply go and check that. So your price will be locked for 24 hours after converting the server's fee. And here pay with the AirBaltic points. So if you have some points, as you can see, you'll be able to pay with them. If you have a lot of points, this will reduce the amount payable from here. And of course, you can see like your points if you log into your account, if you have an account. So for me, I'm just going to click on continue. Here you'll have to enter your informations or your personal passenger informations. After doing so, of course, I'm not going to fill all those informations here. And as you can see, you can even create a profile to save your details for the next booking, which I told you. So you don't have to do the step if you have an account on or you're logged in into it. And simply after that, you'll have to go for the seat selection if you select the plan for the seat selection, and simply the trip customization if you want like to get a hotel, a car, or something like that. After that, you'll be taken to the overview and payment where you will have to pay for your flights. And as you can see, you'll find the total here. So this is going to be the total that you will need to pay. So after that, make sure to review everything before paying, of course, and you'll have to make your payment. You can choose your preferred payment method, credit card, debit card, or other available option, and follow the instructions to complete like the payment process. Then you can receive the booking confirmation, then do the check-in, of course, online if you want to. It's just optional. You can even go and do it like in person if you want to. So that's going to be it for this video. If you reached this point of this video, congratulations, you have successfully booked your AirBaltic plane ticket online. And you're all set for your upcoming journey. AirBaltics, of course, used like friendly websites makes the booking process simple and convenient. So be sure to double check all the details before finalizing your payments. And that's it. So thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe for our channels, and of course, I'll see you in the next video.